Recently, I discovered a 3-minute scalping strategy that has more than 80% win rate, and I will be introducing this new scalping strategy in 4 simple steps. If this is your first time watching me, I've been trading more than 8 years and I have used hundreds of strategies and lost thousands of dollars. After failing millions of times, finally I found my edge to become a constantly profitable trader. Fast forward today, I am trading live every single day to prove that it's not a luck. Let's start with the first step, how to use. This scalping strategy will work smoothly on 3-minute time frame, and I will introduce all the settings and the tips for the 3 minutes. But if you want me to tell you the 1-minute settings, comment below with the ticker you want and I will send it to you. We only have 2 simple rules to execute trades with this strategy. The first rule is we will be only trading on the New York AM session. This is also one of my favorite sessions to trade. In this video we will be also using New York AM session. Second rule is we will be confirming all the signals with the indicator down below. As you guys watching my videos, I always love to confirm those signals with the confirmation indicators. When you get the sell signal, you will go down and confirm with the down below. Both of them should be red to enter a short and both of them green to enter a long position. Very self-explanatory. So let's continue with the second step, indicators. Let's go to indicators tab and search for pivot point, super trend, and you will see indicator from LuxAlgo. Click that your chart. This indicator will give you sell signal and will give you buy signal, and it will plot this line on your chart, and I will explain you everything while we live trading in the coming step. Now let's go to indicators tab to add our second indicator, which is called a squeeze momentum indicator from Lazy Bear. This is the most famous indicator on TradingView. Click that your chart. The setup is ready, rules are simple. Let's continue with the third step, live trading. As you can see that the time now is 8:50. We will be rolling the market and we will execute on the New York AM session, which is exactly at the 9:30 AM. If you come here and plot your line, and you can see that the market just opened, and now we will be taking any signal that pops in my screen. My time frame is 3 minutes and I am trading Nasdaq futures. So let's roll the market, and the first signal kicked in, which is a buy signal. Or to confirm that, we will go down and check with the squeeze momentum indicator. As you can see that the both are green, and if you remember the rules, we will be executing our first position, which is a long. Let's hit the button, and now we will roll this market to see if we get hit or miss. So far looking good. We are running on $3,000 PNL. I wanna take my first partial when this high is taken out. Let's roll the market. Very important thing that you need to always pay yourself if you wanna become a successful trader. Now I'm taking off 2 contracts here. I have secured a $2,000 and now we are rolling the market. My stop now just below this line. Let's see if we get hit or miss. I want to take partials on the way because now we are up 100 points on the Nasdaq futures. You can just take partial on the way to secure the profits. Now we can move our stop loss where? Just above this execution. Let's roll the market together. The one of the greatest thing about the trading on the higher time frames, more than 1 minute, it will give you more points, which means a more profit. Another way to decide your partial points, if you just zoom out to your chart, you can see that we had this high over here. It has taken out. You can take a partial here. You can see that we had this high. You can take a partial. As you can see, we had the high. You can take a partial. You can use these key points to take a partials, or you can just basically put your stop however you want to use it or however you want to play with it. So I see 2 more targets, but they are very high from the current point. Let's see if we get hit or miss. I want to take my stop loss just under this point and let's roll the market. As you can see that we just got stopped and now we made a $6,000 from this beautiful trade. Here is another example. Let's plot our vertical line to market open, which is 9:30. Market just opened. We are waiting for a one signal here to confirm with our all conditions. We received this buy signal. You will go down and check with the squeeze momentum. Both of them are green, so we will be executing our long position here with the 5 contracts. So the first partial, now you know the thing. The first partial coming at this high, the second partial can be coming at this high, so we can see what will happen now. Let's roll the market. I want to get my full TP, please. The first partial point has been reached. I'm taking off 2 contracts here, and like always I want to put my stop at the break even. What it will happen, I don't care, because I have already secured nearly $4,000. So let's see if we can get more of this. So by the market goes up, what you can do is, if you get feel like excited, you can just take one more partial here and you can basically trail your stop just under this equal lows. You can just write the trade and boom, what is this going on? You just smashed the whole profit and the whole targets, just flatten your position. We made $22,600 in a random Nasdaq AM session. If you made this far, you will notice a very important thing about this strategy while you're testing out. And the thing is, when you execute on New York AM session, you can see that the whole trade can continue until the market close. Is there any problem with that? No. Just ride it. When the price goes in our favor, we will trail our stop in profit. So if it comes back, no problem, we will close everything in profit. It's 100% winning trade. You can ride as long as you want. Let's continue with the final step, which is the settings. Let's go to squeeze momentum indicator settings and change your BB length to 20 and multifactor to 2, KC length 20, KC multifactor 1.5, and use true range, very important. If you done that, just hit the OK button. Now let's go to settings for the pivot point super trend and your pivot point period to 2, ATR factor 3, ATR period 10, and obviously you will enable show buy and sell labels. If you done, just hit the OK button. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.